How are you, my daughter?
Daddy, I'm fine.
You look good, though.
Thank you. Daddy, I met my friend yesterday and she told me we are starting our exam next week.
Exam? Next week?
Yes. I think our mother have money. She would have helped us.
I think so. But nevertheless, I will try my best. I will try my best, You will do exam,
That is okay, that is so. I know you want to think again. That you are smiling.
Well, I'm already smiling now.
God will help us.
Thank you, God will help us, You will do your exam, I will speak to your mother anyhow,
Morning, sir.
Welcome.
Your dad was from school.
School?
Yeah.
Okay. Go inside the house and put your clothes and take your bait.
Maybe there is food in the house. You know that I did not eat to go back to school.
My daughter, how are you?
My sweet.
Papa, stop thinking.
Thank you, my daughter. How's the business now?
We thank God though, the market self is nothing, no customers. So, no customers. The way I pack the things out, let's still pack the things inside. There's no customers.
You didn't sell anything.
I did not sell anything. 15 naira, not even a dime.
Since?
Me, I'm tired though. I'm tired of all this.
Do you know that those children, they were not telling me this morning that they want to do exam. The other one, they drove them from the school because of school fees.
Because of school fees. How did it affect me?
I don't know.
Are you not the father of the house?
Yeah, please, you are able to. Is it not our children?
Our children? You said our children
now.
What did I tell you? Did I not tell you that the market is not moving well? Are you not the father of this house? You're not doing anything.
That you did not sell anything since
I did not sell anything. You're not doing nothing. Now you're not asking me to pay the children's school fees to bring
But do you remember that I personally give you money in that your business?
That was then. That was then. Not now.
For you not to help our children. Our children. Jesus.
Let me tell you, that was then, not now. I don't have any money. A time is not.
You always tell me that you don't have anything. You don't have anything. Well, God will take control. I will try my best to carry our children to the school.
Make sure you try your best.
I will do it. God will take control.
Just make sure.
Even though it's my property,
Because
I will sell them.
You're not doing anything about it.
I will sell them.
You're not. Okay, I'm just coming and you're telling me to do this one, to do this one.
You're supposed to play your part as a mother.
Because I'm the
You
man
are
of the
putting
house.
everything on me.
No, I'm the man of the house. I'm coming. Let me come and pay the money for you.
Well,
Useless man.
you can say anything you want to say. I know they are my children. I'm supposed to take care, and I will take care of them, no matter what. Every time. Don't bring anything at home. You say the market sees money. You are coming back at this time, and you are saying that you did not sell anything. Let me call this man. Good morning. It is me now. Not me. You get what thing I want to tell you. I want to sell down my car. I don't know if you have interest or buying it. I know you will have interest. I'm in the house now, just come. Yes. You too dey funny. At the house, I'm in the house. Just come. Okay. Bye bye. Yeah.
081.
Give me 500 now.
How much?
500,000.
500,000 for this small car.
Now look and say this motor. You know what I buy it?
Man, I can't buy this car. Hey bro, I'm going to give you 150,000.
For this one? Give me 200 man.
Bro, that this guy.
How much the better can be?
No.
How much better can daddy?
Don't be 200.
No.
Yeah, never go for.
See, I don't buy car with big bag this one. Plus. Buy this car 150,000 naira. If you no want sell now, I'll come out because now push I won't push around.
Now cow.
Private jet.
I just saw you.
No.
This one.
If not be something you want make me sell this car.
You want sell this car or not? Brother, you want sell this car or not?
I want sell her.
Okay, let me give you 150,000 naira. If you don't want to take 150,000 naira.
Yes.
How are you children?
How are you doing?
Okay, I hear.
Okay, call your camera.
Let me give account number. I can see it very well.
Call your account number. Come, let me transfer the money right now. 82 56 29 80 14. Okay, I see your name is.
Yes. Okay now. You can go inside there. You can go inside. I want to repair it, I don't want them to know. That is why I call you aside. So I just have to do it. Because I want to see people going to school. You understand me now?
I've started selling off.
I can't see you people being in the house, not going to school. So that is why. I don't have another option. I talked to your mother yesterday. She was shouting on me. Say no money. What will I do? Don't worry. I'm going to pay everything so that you people go and start school. I go ask you. You go say you not
sis.
Imagine.
You are a wicked wife. In fact, you are not my wife. You are a wicked human being. Look at you. You were punishing our children. 800,000. Get up and get up. She's leaving my house today.